I made $5.7 million in profit selling digital products, and I'm about to break down the exact 4-step framework that made me all this money. Now, I've seen it work for dozens of people starting from zero, so let's jump into it. Step 1, figure out what to sell. And here's what I learned. You don't need to be original. You need to solve a problem that people already have. I now call this the aspirin versus vitamins principle. You see, aspirin solves pain right now. You have a headache, you take aspirin, headache's gone. It's an instant painkiller. But vitamins, they're good for you, but you don't need them right this second. They're kind of like a nice to have thing. Your digital product needs to be aspirin. It needs to solve a painful problem that someone has right now. Now listen, you're probably thinking, okay, Nathan, but what if I haven't made money online or achieved anything big? Well, step 2 is gonna show you exactly how to find what you can sell. But before we get there, let me talk about something extremely crucial. You see, when I scaled my coaching program to over $4 million, I had my own website where I could sell directly to my customers, my own brand, my own storefront, complete control. And that's exactly what you need to start building from day one. So what is the best website platform to use? Shopify. You see, Shopify is where you'll build your website, you'll host your products, you'll process payments. It has everything you need to start selling. If you want to test it out, click the link in the description. You'll get Shopify for free for 3 days, and then it's just $1 a month for your first 3 months. Now, once you've built your Shopify website, you're gonna need a domain name. Shopify will give you some default one, but if you wanna look professional and actually stand out, you need your own custom domain. And this is where .store domains comes in. And here's why .store domains are perfect for digital products. They're clear, memorable, and they tell people exactly what you do before they even click. And get this, there was a year-long study that found websites with .store domains get 87% more visits, twice the visibility on Google, and 12% lower cost per conversion when running ads. You're literally getting more traffic and better ad performance just from your domain choice. You can grab your .store domain for just 99 cents for the first year. Just click the link in the description and use code Nathan at checkout. Plus, when you get a .store domain, you unlock access to their Elevate program, which basically gives you over $2,500 in discounts on tools that you're gonna need anyway, like MailChimp, Stripe, Wix, and all these other platforms that you'll actually use to grow your business. All right, so you've got your website and your domain sorted. Now let's get to step 2, figuring out what problem you can solve. You don't need some massive accomplishment. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone. That's it. That's the bar. So here's what you do. Answer 3 questions, and I guarantee you'll find something to sell. Question number 1, what problem did I solve in the last 12 months? Now it could be anything. Maybe you lost weight, you made your first $1,000 online, finally fixed your sleep schedule. If you struggled with it and you figured it out, I guarantee you someone else is struggling with it right now. Question 2, what do people generally ask me for help with? Think about your conversations with friends and family. What advice does it feel like you're giving over and over again? That's your signal. They're literally telling you what they want to buy. Question 3, would I have paid $200 to $500 for this solution 12 months back? If you would have paid for it back when you had the problem, other people will pay for it too. So let me show you how this worked for me. Question 1, well, what problem did I solve? I figured out dropshipping. I went from broke to making real money. Question 2, what did people ask me? Well, every single day I was getting spammed with questions like, how did you do it? Can you teach me? And that was my hint that I was sleeping on a gold mine. Question 3, would I have paid at least a few $100 for the answer 12 months earlier? Absolutely, without hesitation I would. I would have paid way more than that. So I packaged it all up into a simple mentorship program and made over $2 million in the first year. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pause this video, open your notes app, and answer those 3 questions. If you skip this step, then nothing else matters. You can't build a product if you don't know what to build. Now we're moving to step 3. And this is where things get interesting. Step 3 is gonna be how you take that idea and turn it into an actual digital product in under 72 hours. And with AI, this is easier than it has ever been. So here's how you do it within just 3 days. Day 1, I want you to go ahead and outline your content. Take maybe 2 to 3 hours, sit down and brain dump everything you know about solving this problem. Exactly what worked for you, and maybe even how to do it better. Just write it all out or even speak it all out into your notes app on your phone or ChatGPT. And then use ChatGPT or Claude to help you structure it all into a logical order and say, organize this into a step-by-step guide. It will literally spit you out a clean outline in 30 seconds. That's your framework completed. Day 2, you're gonna create the actual product. So From here, you have two options. Option one is to record videos by using Loom or even just doing it on your phone. You can screen record yourself, walking through each step and explaining it in detail. Don't edit. Don't try to be perfect. Just teach it like you're explaining it to a friend. 5 to 10 videos, 10 to 15 minutes each. That's your course. Use a tool like Descript or Opus Clip to automatically clean up your audio, add captions, and cut out the ums and pauses. What used to take hours of editing, AI will now do for you in minutes. Now, the second option is to open up a Google Doc or Notion and start writing out each step. But don't spend hours staring at a blank page. Use AI as your writing partner. Tell ChatGPT, I'm writing a guide about whatever your topic is. Here's step one. And then just basically insert all your rough notes. Then say, help me turn this into clear, actionable instructions. It'll write the first draft for you. You just edit it to sound like you. Now, I've seen people create 40-page guides in one afternoon using this method. Now, on day 3, it's time for you to package it up and deliver it. So go ahead and upload your videos or documents to Google Drive, Notion, or even just a private YouTube playlist. Then use AI to write your sales page. Tell ChatGPT, write a sales page for my topic guide. It helps people to make money online. Price is $297. Make it conversational. Then just edit it to sound like you and paste it into your Shopify site. Boom, you're done. And done will always beat perfect every single time. Your V1 or version 1 is supposed to be rough. Ship it anyway. You'll improve it as you get feedback from your actual customers. Use ChatGPT for writing, use Descript for video editing, use Canva's AI for graphics. There's literally no excuse to spend months building anymore. Step 4, how to get your first 25 to 50 sales. And this is the step that actually makes you money, because you can have the best product in the world, but if nobody sees it, you'll make $0. You don't need a huge audience either. If you're selling the product for, say, $297, you'll need 34 sales to hit 10K. 34 people. That's it. You don't need to go viral. You need 34 people to say yes. I'm going to show you how to find them in the next 90 days. First month, days 1 to 30, you need to start building your audience. You need to create content every single day. Just pick one platform. Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, just one, and post one piece of content every single day about your transformation. What you learned in solving this problem for yourself, what mistakes you made, and what's working now. In 30 days, you should have 30 pieces of content out. Now, your goal with this is simple. It's basically just to get 200 to 500 people following you that have the same problem you solve. Now, you're probably thinking, but yeah, I don't know what to post. Just use AI. I'm dead serious. Tell ChatGPT, I'm teaching people how to start dropshipping. Give me 30 content ideas that will attract my ideal customer. It'll literally give you a month's worth of ideas in freaking 10 seconds. Then use your phone, record yourself talking, no fancy editing, just value. You're just throwing up reps at this point. Phase 2, so days 30 to 60. Build trust. You see, now that you have a small audience, you need to build those relationships. Reply to every single comment on your posts. Offer free advice. Jump on quick calls if they want. Answer their questions. Your goal with all of this is to get 50 to 100 people who actually know you, like you, and trust you. This is the most important part that people skip. They go straight to selling, but a small audience plus high trust equals high conversions. All right, now phase 3, so we'll say days 60 to 90. This is about actually launching and selling. So you want to post your product 3 to 5 times over the course of the week. Don't be weird about it. Just tell people what it is and how it helps. For example, I created this dropshipping guide showing exactly how I made $10,000 a month. It's $297. If you want it, links in the bio. That's it. Now, this is the most important part here. You want to DM everyone who's been engaging with your content and send them a personalized message like, hey, I noticed you've been watching my stuff. I just launched this dropshipping guide. Thought you might find it helpful. Here's the link if you're interested. That's your launch strategy. Dead simple. When I launched my mentorship, I'd been posting content for a couple of months. I built a small audience and a little bit of trust, and I personally messaged about 150 people. I got 23 sales in the first week. That's 11 grand. Not because I had some massive following yet, because I had real relationships with people who trusted me based on the content that I was putting out. Now look, if you absolutely hate creating content, there's another way. You can run paid ads straight out the gate. Start with $50 or $100 a day on Meta or TikTok ads and drive traffic to a simple landing page. Give away a free lead magnet at first, maybe a checklist, template, just something small. Collect emails and then follow up with a simple email sequence. But look, here's the truth. Not everyone will buy. You'll get rejected. Some people will ghost you. That's normal. The people who succeed aren't the ones with the best product. They're the ones who don't quit after the first no. And here's what happens after your first launch. You've actually got customers now. Ask them for testimonials and post them. Do a small launch again next month. Same product, but with a new audience from your content. So that's the framework. But some of you are thinking, Nathan, I don't have a skill to sell yet. I'm starting from complete zero. If that's you, let me tell you what I recommend. AI dropshipping. And not selling a course on AI dropshipping, I mean actually doing AI dropshipping. AI dropshipping will teach you every single skill you need to eventually start selling digital products. You learn how to build websites. You learn how to run ads. You learn how to create content and how to sell online. And you can make money while you're learning. You don't need any expertise. You don't need proven results. And honestly, if I had had AI dropshipping back in the day, I feel like I would have made 10 times more. Luckily for you, I have a completely free course on this topic. It's called $0 to $2,872 a week with AI dropshipping. It has everything you would ever need to start. The link is in the description. It's free, so go watch it. And it's probably time you stopped saying you'll take action tomorrow, you stopped researching, and you just picked one path and go all out at it for the next 90 days. That's all it takes to change your life. So I'll leave that AI dropshipping video up here if you want to come hang out with me some more. If not, take action now, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.